Hello children, 7th class data handling exercise 6.4. Now third sum. And see the children, third sum. The adjacent pie chart gives the expenditure on the various items during a month for a family. In the figure, angles made by the each sector at the center of the given, then the answer the following. Okay. Here one circle is given, the circle divided into some parts, that is called sectors. Here some angles are given, 60 degrees, 90 degrees, 120 degrees and 90 degrees. And here some colors are given. What is the each color? One observe. Here 90 degrees green color, that is indicates savings. This one 90 degrees indicates savings. And food 120 degrees food. This one indicates food. Food 120 degrees. Savings 90 degrees. This one savings 90 degrees. Next one education 60 degrees. The pink color is education. This one education. Education. Next again 90 degrees rent. This one rent. Okay. You can add all angles, that is equal to 360 degrees. 120, 90, 120, 90, 210, 210 plus 270 and 90, 360 degrees. Okay. Sum of the angles are in a circle is 360 degrees. All angles in a circle is 360 degrees. This one is called complete angle. Okay. Now see the questions. If the expenditure on rent is 3000 rupees, then how much amount they have saved? They saved. Enta save chestunadamma. Expenditure on rent. Rent, what is the angle? 90 degrees. And savings also same 90 degrees. Then here 3000 he can rent pay chestunte, then savings also 3000 rupees. Answer is 3000 rupees. Same angle kabatti same adhe amount ostundamma. Okay. On which item expenditure is minimum? What is the smallest angle, smallest degrees? Here 60 degrees. Okay. Which angle is minimum? Education. Education angle is minimum, then expenditure also minimum. This one solution is education. You should write the full question. On which item expenditure is minimum? Education is the expenditure is the minimum. You can write the solution like this. On the which item expenditure is maximum? What is the greatest angle? 120 degrees. Which item? Food. Third one, food. Okay, food, the expenditure is the maximum. Okay, in this graph. Okay, children, like this you can see the graph and write the answers. Next question, fourth one. The following data shows the number of the students obtaining different subject in a college. Subject number of students are given. Construct a pie diagram to represent the above data. Ikkada pie diagram man construct cheyamannaru. What is the given subjects? Botany, mathematics, physics, chemistry, economics and commerce. Number of students: botany 45, mathematics 60 students, physics 20, chemistry 30, economics 10 and commerce 15 students. You can draw the pie diagram. How to draw the pie diagrams? One, see the children. Here given question like this is question is given. First answer, should write the answer. First find the angle of sector. Angle of sector is equal to each value of the item by sum of the values of all items. Value of the item by sum of all items. Okay. Into 360 degrees. Each value, ikkada unna values lo each value తీసుకొని sum of the all values. అన్ని వాల్యూస్ని సమ్ చేసి తీసుకోవాలము. డివైడెడ్ బై ఇంటూ 360. సర్కిల్లో కాబట్టి మనం ఇంటూ 360 చేయాలి. ఓకే. హియర్ సబ్జెక్ట్స్. దిస్ వన్ సొల్యూషన్ టేబుల్. Subject, number of students, angle of sector. Here each one you should find the angle of sector. First, botany 45, mathematics 60, physics 20, chemistry 30, economics 10 and commerce 15. You can add total number of students. 5 plus 5, 10. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 15, 16, 17, 18. 180. Total is 180 students. Now, angle of sector, each value. Here 45 is botany 45. 45 by what is the total? 180 into 360 degrees. Okay. Again 60, second one 60 by in total by 360 degrees. Here each value 20 by 180 into 360 degrees. Next one 30 by 180 into 360 degrees. Next 10 by 180 into 360 degrees. Okay, next one 15 by 180 into 360 degrees. Okay, now 0 0 cancel, 8 1s are 8 2s are 45 into 2, 45 into 2, that is 45 into 2 90 degrees. Second one again 180 2s are 60 into 2 120 degrees. Third one 0 0 18 1s are 18 2s are 36, 20 into 2. Every time cancel same like this only children. Okay, 180 2 times 360. 1 2 times 30 into 2 60 degrees. Next 2 times 10 into 2 20 degrees. Again 2 times 15 into 2, that is equal to 30 degrees. We can add all angles. మొత్తం యాంగిల్స్ అన్నీ యాడ్ చేయండి. 0 యూనిట్ ప్లేస్ ఇస్ 0. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ 9 + 2 11, 11 + 4 15, 15 + 6 21, 21 + 2 23, 23 + 3 26, 6 2 2 + 1 3 360 degrees. హియర్ కంప్లీట్ యాంగిల్. దిస్ వన్ 360 వచ్చిందంటే మనకి ఈ యాంగిల్స్ అన్నీ కరెక్ట్ అని చెక్కింగ్ అమ్మ. నౌ డ్రా ద సర్కిల్. యూ కెన్ టేక్ ఎనీ రేడియస్ అంటే మరి పెద్దది కాకుండా చిన్నది కాకుండా యూ కెన్ టేక్ ద 5 centimeters is the radius. You take the 5 centimeters the radius, draw the circle. Okay children, you can measure by using circular. You can put the small pencil, take 5 centimeters. This one is equal to 5 centimeters. You can draw the circle. Measure the 5 centimeters. Okay, draw the circle. You can check. You can easily draw one circle. Okay. Okay children, draw the radius. First you should draw the radius. Here put the dot and draw the radius. This one center is O, radius is A, OA. Now mark the all angles in this circle. First one 90 degrees. One see the children. Botany is 90 degrees. Here mark OA. OA ni మనం సెంటర్గా తీసుకొని okay 90 degrees. You put the dot for 90 degrees. Okay. Now draw the divide into sector. I will draw this one. You can draw this one using scale and pencil children. మీకు కనబడాలని నేను పెన్తో యూస్ చేసి డ్రా చేస్తున్నానమ్మా. దిస్ వన్ 90 degrees. What is the 90 degrees? Botany. Write botany. Here A after this one B. Write the name B. Now new line. What is the new line here? OB is the new line. Now take the protractor. Mark them. OB is the initial ray. Means starting ray. చూడండమ్మా OB passing through the origin. 0 నుంచి పాస్ అవ్వాలి OB. నెక్స్ట్ యాంగిల్ 120 degrees. Second one 120 degrees. You can mark here 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110 and 120 degrees. Okay, here mark the 120 degrees. We can represent these all in using scale and pencil. Okay children, మీకు క్లియర్గా కనిపించాలని నేను పెన్తో యూస్ చేసి డ్రా చేస్తున్నానమ్మా. ఈ మార్క్ ఇన్సైడ్ ఆర్ అవుట్ సైడ్ ఆఫ్ ద సర్కిల్ వచ్చినా మీరు సర్కిల్ అప్ టు సర్కిల్ వరకే మీరు డ్రా చేయాలి. 120 degrees. దిస్ ఈజ్ మ్యాథమెటిక్స్. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ వన్ physics 40 degrees. And see the physics 40 degrees. Now new one is C. You can mark the C. సి యాజ్ ఏ జీరో, సిని జీరోగా చేసుకొని చూడండి ఇక్కడ క్లియర్గా లేదు, జీరోతో ఈక్వల్ అవ్వలేదు. నౌ దిస్ వన్ ఆల్సో నాట్ ఈక్వల్ టు జీరో, యూ కెన్ దిస్ వన్ ఈక్వల్ టు జీరో. నౌ 40 degrees, count 10, 20, 30, 40, mark exactly 40 degrees. Again draw the line. Center onwards up to circle, points ki correct ga join ayyelaga draw chesukovalamma. This one new line D, this one 40 degrees, physics. This object is, this sector part is physics. Next one, new line. What is the new line? OD. You can put the mark like this and OD. Okay. Now take the chemistry 60 degrees. Chemistry, next one chemistry 60 degrees. Here mark 60 degrees. Okay. 60. Here you can draw the line. 2 dots ki correct ga scale use chesi up to circle varaku manam draw cheskunte saripotundam. This one E, this point is E, this one 60 degrees, chemistry. Okay. Now E as a OE is the, take the radius OE, that is, now it is not correct. This one also not correct. You can correct exactly OE line passing through the zero. Zero nunchi OE line pass ayyala check cheskoni center nunchama ee middle point center O దగ్గర start అవ్వాలి, ఈ ending point ఈ దగ్గరికి రావాలి. Now economics is 20 degrees. See the next one, economics is 20 degrees. Here put the 20 degrees and join the O to this point O. This point is E after F. Okay, join to O to F. This one 20 degrees, economics. Economics. Okay. Remaining third, last one 30 degrees. You can measure the last angle, it is exactly 30. మనకి exactly 30 వస్తే మనం చేసిన సమ్ అంతా కరెక్ట్. వన్ సబ్జర్ హియర్ OA, this one exactly 30 degrees. Okay, this one exactly 30 degrees. మనం చేసిన సమ్ అంతా కరెక్ట్ అని తెలుస్తుందాం. లాస్ట్ వన్ మనం ఆటోమేటిక్గా వచ్చేస్తుంది. 30 degrees commerce. Okay, this is the pie chart, children. This first you should find the angles. After that, in circle, that is 360 degrees, divide into some parts. The each part is called sector. Okay, first you can draw the radius. First draw the circle with the 5 centimeters radius. Draw the one radius OA. After that OA, first mark the first angle. Here given angle is 90 degrees. First you can mark the 90 degrees. After that, new line. Here OB is the new line. Again OB, take the OB is the initial ray. Draw 120 degrees. Then OC is the new line. Then take the OC is the initial ray and mark the 40 degrees. After that OD is the initial ray. Mark the 60 degrees. Then OE is the initial ray, mark the 20 degrees. After that OF is the initial ray, exactly 30 degrees on remaining angle. Okay, like this we can draw the pie chart. Here sum of all angles is equal to 360 degrees. మనం ఎక్కడైనా ఒక 2 points డిఫరెన్స్ వస్తే ఇక్కడ యాంగిల్ చేంజ్ వచ్చేస్తుందమ్మా. మనం ఎగ్జాక్ట్గా మెజర్ చేస్తేనే ఇక్కడ లాస్ట్కి రిమైనింగ్ యాంగిల్ కూడా ఎగ్జాక్ట్గా సరిపోతుంది. ఇక్కడ ఎక్కడైనా పాయింట్స్ అటు ఇటు అయ్యాయనుకోండి, ఇక్కడ ఒక 5 degrees ఎక్కువ రావడం కానీ తక్కువ రావడం కానీ జరుగుతుంది. We can measure exactly, children. Okay.